Listen close, y'all. There's mercy on mercy. But there's a line you can't cross. Fruit don't lie, words don't hide. Let me testify. All sin forgiven, grace so wide. But disrespect the spirit can't slide. You can throw shade at the Son of Man, still find mercy in His plan. But Holy Ghost fire, that's sacred ground. Don't let your mouth run reckless sounds. Make the tree good, let the fruit shine, or stay corrupt, roots tangled in lies. Out of the heart, the mouth gon' speak. Treasure telling on you every week. Out of words counted, heaven got receipts. By your words you're justified, by your words condemned. That's deep. Generation of vipers, speaking good but living foul. Heart full of venom but Sunday morning smile. Good man bring good from the treasure inside. Evil man bring evil, can't even hide. Every idle word booked in the day of the Lord. Ain't no ghostwriter when judgment records. They wanted a sign, scribes asking show us proof. Jesus said knock on a sign gon' tell the truth. Out of the heart, out of the heart, the mouth gon' speak. Treasure telling on you every week. Out of words counted, heaven got receipts. By your words you're justified, by your words condemned. 3 days, 3 nights in the heart of the earth. Jonah in the belly, but Christ bringing rebirth. 9 for a penny, queen traveled far. Wisdom drew her like a northern star. Greater than Jonah, greater than Solomon here. But your eyes still blind, your heart still unclear. Wake up, rise up, judgment coming near. The sign already here, let your soul hear. Make the tree good, yeah, yeah. Let your heart speak true, oh Lord. Treasure overflow. Fruit tells the story, words seal your fate. Grace wide open, but don't show up late. The sign already here, spirit still near. Let your heart line up, let your mouth speak clear. The sign already here, spirit still near. Let your heart line up, let your mouth speak clear.